Have you ever wondered how a 5,000-year-old city could have wide streets, underground drainage, standardized bricks all built before the pyramids of Egypt were even completed? So, how did the Harappans do it? And why did such an advanced civilization vanish without a trace? Let's decode the real story of the Harappan civilization, India's first urban miracle. The story begins in 1921, when archaeologist Dayaram Sahni unearthed strange ruins near a small village called Harappa, in present-day Pakistan. Just a year later, another site, Mohenjo-daro, was discovered, revealing a lost world hidden under layers of time. From pottery to seals, everything pointed to one thing: a civilization thriving nearly 2500 BCE. Spanning from Afghanistan to Gujarat, it wasn't a single city, it was a network of over 1,500 settlements connected through trade, rivers, and innovation. Now, here's the part that will shock you. Every Harappan city, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Kalibangan, followed a grid system layout. Streets cut each other at perfect right angles. Houses had bathrooms with drainage connected to covered sewers. They used standardized baked bricks, same ratio across cities, suggesting a central authority or shared cultural code. Trade flourished. Lothal had one of the world's earliest dockyards. Artifacts show trade with Mesopotamia, modern Iraq, through the Arabian Sea. And surprisingly, there were no large temples or palaces, meaning their society might have been more equal, less centered on kings. But around 1900 BCE, this brilliance started fading. Cities were abandoned, trade routes collapsed, and the once mighty Harappan civilization disappeared. Historians debate. Some say climate change, shifting rivers like the Saraswati drying up. Others blame natural disasters like floods or tectonic shifts. And some link it to Indo-Aryan migration disrupting trade networks. The truth? Probably a mix of environment, economy, and migration. Even after fading, Harappans left behind more than ruins. Their system of weights and measures, craftsmanship, and city planning principles echo through Indian history. What they built with baked bricks, we still struggle to maintain with concrete. Their cities show us that progress doesn't always move forward. Sometimes, we lose what ancient minds mastered. Tell me in the comments, and if history like this fascinates you, hit subscribe and let's explore more lost civilizations of India.